I've been testing the Bose Lifestyle Ultra Soundbar for a while now, and honestly, this thing is clearly built for people who care more about clarity and polish than raw boom. First thing that stands out is dialogue. Bose's AI dialogue mode is no gimmick. Voices stay locked in front, even during chaotic action scenes. You never feel like you're rewinding just to catch a line. Soundstage is surprisingly wide for a single bar. Effects move beyond the edges of the TV thanks to its 5.0.2 setup, and it does a solid job with Dolby Atmos, though height effects are more hinted at than dramatic. Bass is the trade-off. It's tight and controlled, but you don't get that deep cinema rumble without adding the subwoofer. Music playback, though? Really strong. Clean separation and warmth over AirPlay or Spotify. At $1,299, it's premium, but if you want clarity first home cinema, it delivers. If you want shake-the-room bass out of one box, something like the Sonos Arc Ultra might fit better.